Hello and welcome to youcef's Solo Voltz Adventure. I'm your host, Coolman Youcef, and today we're going to be making a seaside resort. Before the video, I've been collecting sand, and I found most of my stuff. Most importantly, the what do you call it? The Tier Rocket 2, and I collected a whole lot of sand. So today we're going to be making the seaside resort. I want to make it like a real beach by covering the whole ground will be on sand. Plus, it will be made of mostly all wood. So that's what I got it. I took all my redwood holding planks. I'm going to make it today. So let's see, will we have enough time? If we don't, I won't make it in the between videos because I know you might want to see it. So I'll do it the next time I come on. As you know, like I said in other videos, if somebody wants me to join their server, just leave it in the comments. But I know it's not getting many views so far since it's still brand new. But I still hope you guys enjoy my videos that I make. So I think why don't I just make it here? It'd be better. The sand sounds really weird when you put it down. Let's see if I get rid of this one. Get rid of this stuff here. I don't think we need to even make the whole land area. I think we just clear this area here. It would work. Let's see, if I make it like 40 by 20 would be nice. No, this one. 30 by 15. Yeah, that's good. Make it like 30 by 15 would be a nice size. Plus, I'll put it all standing up on top of what do you call it? Fence pieces to make it look nice. Oops, let me get more shovel. So far, no zombies. You know, in between the video while I was collecting the sand, I saw a skeleton hiding underneath the tree. It was like 40 blocks away, and I got it out with one strike. I actually knocked it from underneath the tree. I made it enter the sun. Man, that was a good one. Let's see how far this is so far. So let's see, we want it to be 15 by 30. If we do it starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we need to be from this spot here. Ooh, put down a torch. I don't have any more. I think we'll go inside and get some. Yeah. For some reason, I haven't seen any zombies or skeletons yet. Oh, there's my first one. See him? Little target practice. Don't move, don't move. Kill this guy here. 1. Oh, what's that? He's carrying a backpack? Come on. Did you see that? He was carrying a backpack. No, that's an Enderman. I get it. It shouldn't be too hard. Unlike in the first video. I got killed by an Enderman easy. They're just still there. Come on, come on. Come on, aim at the feet. Got it. Oh. I hate this sound, man. It's so scary. It's so annoying. If that guy wants to play tennis ball, here's his game. 3 quick shots. And you too now. Come on, get him. Thank you. I'm so glad I put Bane on the arthropods on this one, because the main problem for me are the spiders and well, mostly spiders. Skeletons are also a big problem. I wonder if is that for you or just me. Is there anything come inside while I wasn't here? Sounds like there's a spider in here. What's going on? There. Okay, let me see. Do I have any coal or torches anywhere? Wait, where are you? Chanting room? Where are you, little sucker? Okay, no. Let me just empty it. Plants. Okay, I'll put string, spider eye, bone, rotten flesh. That's everything. I know I have some coal somewhere, torches. Where is that stinking zombie? Up here. Yeah. So, I'm guessing it's on the roof again. I really have to put a lot of torches up on the roof because I keep getting zombies up there and creatures, especially spiders, because they like to spawn near high areas. Where is it? So if he's not down, let's check. Oh, there he is. That's why I sound so close. Creeper, big problem. If guy gets up here, I'll be having big problem. My worst night. Is there another one? Oh no, there's. That's why it's so close. There's one even closer than that guy. Okay, we get this guy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not dead. 4. There. Is that all? Nope. More creepers. That's all. I'm usually a master at bows, but when I'm just shooting quickly just to finish this off, take a long time. Okay, where's that last zombie I saw? Come on. No spiders. Good. In these areas, spiders are my worst problems because they can climb. Skeleton, I'll get you out. 1, 2, missed 2. I actually got him. It's all gone. Yeah. Oh. So let's go back down, check if I have any more coal. If I don't, just make some charcoal. I'll play with the wood. Nothing in here. No torches. No coal either. No torches or coal either, but more sticks. Of course there won't be torches in here. It's a batteries chest. Oh, and sorry about the lag. I don't really have like a fast computer. Hurry up. Like I said before, if you guys have any ideas about what you want me to do in my world, just tell me, write it in the comments, and I'll see them and I'll read them and see which ones would be good in my world. Let's go to bed. There. Morning, check the charcoal. Okay, we got 4. It's okay for now. I'll come back later, get some. 2, 3, 4. Take these. Let's go. resort. Of course, there's gonna be plenty of zombies out here. So plenty of training. Bam! I'll let you burn. What's that? Oh. Just unloaded. There's some more guys. I don't want them sneaking up on me. Got one. There's 2, 3. Come on, I'm not putting enough power. They're done. That's all. Skeletons around. Skeletons. You wanna face me? Gotta get past this. 1 strike kill. No scullies. Let's get back to work. Got a creeper in my work area. Just what I needed. Okay, 1, 2. Look, he's curious what's going on. Who's attacking? Look, his head just spinning around in a circle. That's all. I think the skeleton is coming from. Yep, exactly. Put on the bow. Aim at his forehead. Missed. Forehead. 1, 2, 3. Perfect shots and perfect kills. Maybe I should make a game of it. Hit the targets. That'd be a nice game. There'll be buttons coming up and off, and you have to try to aim them with a bow and arrow. So this one was going to be 30, or which one was it? So they're both the same. This one was 30, right? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, this was a 15 way. That means the 30 way is this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's not that much. Looks like I had quite a work cut out. So let's put down the sand. There we go. This 15 by 20 would be nice as well. We'll make 20 going this way. Just keep putting until it reaches up. So it should be like this. There 5 more I needed. Yeah, 5 more that I needed. Okay, 5 more that I needed. Exactly. I'll just make 1 more experience. Or a couple more. Since I collected plenty of sand earlier. It would have been tiresome just watching me go around collect sand. Let's keep on. I hope you all are enjoying this. I enjoyed it a lot. So I hope you guys comment and like and subscribe. It's pretty deep here. Pretty good so far. I know it's going for a long time. But Still working out. I'm just sitting here and I'm on my and see all the squid swimming around underneath the water. Okay, we're almost done. This is the last one and then we're done. There. How am I using my hand? I forgot I have to do this side as well, the inner part. Oops, missed spawn. So let's go. That's how deep it is. If things go out like I hope, I'm not going to just do this let's play video, but I'm also going to be doing Hunger Games and adventure maps. Because I also like to do those as well. Not just Hunger Games, like different games on Minecraft you can do. Plus I'll invite other people to join my world, and I'll make let's play with those people. So if any of you want to like join me and make a server. Oh man, just ran out of sand. Oh, I got another stack. Why did he stop? So if somebody would want to make a server and make me join like a private server and want me to join them, I would just leave the IP address, or I'll put in this at the end of this video. My Yahoo address, my account, my email, and you guys could just send it to that. Oops. Still pretty deep around here. Go collect some more sand. Good thing I did it in a farther area, because I knew if I did it here, it wouldn't look that good. Whoa! Didn't see that coming. Glitched into a block. Don't you just hate that? These might be I only have like a few more days because I'm going to be going for vacation to America, so I might stop making these videos for a while. I'll be gone for a month, so I might stop making them for about a month and then come back on and start to make them again. So in that time, I hope you guys will have like plenty of things to see all my videos that I made. So far, this is I think my 8th video. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 videos. This is my 8th. So I hope you guys enjoyed them all. And that's that. I think that's enough. Just finish this last row here. I thought I'd been using so many iron shovels, I meant I made so many. I was wrong. As soon I hope I'll be doing Attack of the B Team as well, and I might even post on in a separate video that in one of my own single player worlds I made a giant castle made out of cobblestone, and I'm still working on it, so it might be in maybe like another week or 2 before I'll have it completely finished. Because man, is it big. I think it's like more than 200 blocks by 200 more, with 16 feet walls made out of cobblestone and 4 turrets at each end. It got like big small rooms, and each room I'm going to do something on it. Like one room I'll make it on top of one turret I'll make it an enchanting table, another one I'll put a smelting room, another one an anvil, maybe not one with potions. Why is the water fucking pushing me? Great, turning night. I hope I'll have enough sand. I also need to collect some more to make some. I need to smelt some to make some glass. That's better. Zombies are already out. Okay. Zombies are quite easy to fight. If I was to choose between three zombies and a skeleton, I would rather pick the zombies and the skeleton. Because man, they're annoying. You have to get actually close. They can actually just start sniping you from a distance. But zombies are quite easy. You have to get close, and usually if you just stand still and start shooting them, they won't do much. I think we're almost done here. Need some more sand. I hope you like how I made my house, because that took like a couple of Minecraft days. I think like 7 Minecraft days. But here it took me like 5 hours. I don't know if you mark the Minecraft days how long it is compared to 7 hours. It won't be the same, but that's what I felt like. Oh yeah, and if you guys are asking how do you get the leaf blocks, it's quite simple. Just you take shears and start to shear the leaves, and you get them. Oh, I haven't seen anything. Oh, there's a skelly. I mean, a spider. Snake him out, or he's not paying anything else around. No, nothing. For that creeper. Oh, got him actually. Oh, it's moving. Moving. Let us fight. What's that? A chicken or a cow or something? How many arrows do I have left? Where are the arrows? I got 1 arrow left. Wow. Wow. I just noticed that I'm starting to. Why am I using all my arrows when I just had 1 left? So yeah, we should go make some more. Look, we're almost done. I think I'll just go collect the sand and I'll finish it off later. Ooh, bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea. Just what I needed. Just what I needed right now. Well, at least you got me some more sand. And I got plenty of dirt. Okay, let me just put these. What do I not need? I don't need a. We got almost 2 stacks of dirt. I already got like 7 stacks in the chest in the back at my house. Yeah, that was so funny how I got like 7 stacks of dirt. No more, maybe 11. I went spent like a while just getting all just to clear out the area. I forgot how much dirt I will be getting at the end. I should have made it 1 more block high. I don't know, one more block high. I think 29 more pieces of sand would be enough. Just collect a few more just to be on the safe side. Should we enchant this? If you notice, if you guys ever played a hack/mine, you would notice that the creepers, they're not like normal here. They're invisible. That's what I hate. They just sneak up on you and then you don't even notice. Got something there? No. You want to put down the torches. Dirt. Yeah, torches. Yeah, that's more like it. Oh, and now I noticed how dark it was. Sorry. If you guys had the darkness, I'll light it up in the YouTube video options. There we go. Clear. Okay. Oops, this part. Zombie. Zombie, where are you? So we climb up here. Enter the house. Okay, gotta make quite a few things. Oops. Oh, we got an army in my front. Great. Another hole I gotta fix. Thanks a lot. Thank you, really. You're going down. I'm gonna take you out first because you're most annoying. What? How come? Bane of the Arthropod 6. Oh, 6. Whoa, there you go. I'm so glad I got this out. I think they're fighting or something. Yeah, this is gonna be the next fight. Who's gonna win? Of course, the gold-plated one. I swear, this is interesting. While they're fighting. Oh, you want me again? On me. Oh, that's better. Finish it, war. I'm going. Go take care of those zombies. Well, now he's finished. As soon as I get past, he finishes. Just take out this creeper first of all. Oh! Again! Again, seriously? Pay for this. Get back here. Oh, 2 shots. And some nice gold boots. I'll fill those in between episodes. Why am I going out? I don't want to get more holes in my lawn. I think I'll also decorate the lawn a bit. Right now, I need some. Well, you know what? First, let me just make these. I want to make plenty of wood. Well, you guys can hear, but if you can, you would have heard that skeleton just upstairs. You hear it? Should be enough wood. Well, what did I just do? Why did I just use all my wood? Stupid. I don't need this much wood. Scrolls, nothing up. Let me check out. Did I finish all that wood? Come on. Oh, good. So, okay. Almost a stack of charcoal. I don't need all of it. I think I'll move my bed downstairs because it's too much work going up and down just to sleep. I also need to put the sand to smelt. When did I get sandstone? Oh yeah, that creeper. Fuel. There's quite a lot of different fuels. Tree saplings. Okay. So we put this in here. Half a stack. That should be enough. So let's go down. Just make like a stack of fences. I still can't believe I actually made that stack of wood. Another stack of sticks. Okay. I can make them, there you go. From a stack in each spot, you only get one. And rip off. My dinner. So now it's not night. Wow. Seriously? I didn't get any sleep at all. And a good morning person. You're going down. Miss. I got enough with you, skeletons. Out of arrows again. Bob and weave. This doesn't work with you. Get him. Get back here. Sucker, get back here. No escaping me. And I sure hate these creepers. Maybe I can make the ground out of obsidian. No way will we be able to win that. Here's my area. So let's begin. Okay, I don't even have a stack of wood. Seriously, wow. So, well, you know what? I think I'll get some wood before we start building, because I really need it. I wish this one has this mod has, like, if you break one piece of wood near the bottom, the whole tree gets cut. That would be a really big help. I'll make it like stairs going up, and I'll break the stairs when I come down. There we go, one there. Just continue walking up. I'm still not sure. I got all these extra armor and super powerful pickaxe, and I still use stone swords. Never mind. I swear, sometimes I do silly things. When I have all these things, and then I use a stone axe to get trees. I could have a osmium axe along with super enchants. Still, I use the stone pickaxe. It's the stone axe. I think after I just get like this much, just get this last piece, a few pieces of wood and it down. Pretty sure there's some feather falling on these boots, but you can't do it manually. I wish you could. I know in Big Dig, if you make an enchanting table, it goes manually. Like if you put it in, you can actually pick what upgrade you want, which level, and it shows you how much you need of each thing to be able to do it. Of course, you can also do it like for random, but I prefer to have it manually. It's much better. There are plenty of wood. They're much better. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nearly 5 stacks of wood. Perfect. Okay, let's start with the fences. Chicken? Yeah, chicken. So I was going to do it either this way, or just let me count, or just do it this way. Okay, first we put one fence piece here. We're gonna need 30 blocks. Skip back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. That should be enough. Oh, 20 here. Or else I'll just make 15 this way. 20, 40, 30. What's that? Well, if you look into the top left corner, what is that? Strange. Can you guys see that? Every time I aim at it, look right in this position here as I turn. Keep watching it. What is that? I'll go check it out. Oh, it's a tower. That's why. I thought it was like some sort of a marine building. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 13, 14, 15 here. Wait, this was... Am I counting wrong, or something just happened? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, it's correct. Let me see. 15 this way, or make it 17, so it'll be exactly 15 in the inside. 30 going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19. We'll just make it 15 by 17 by 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Nope. Just make 17, 17. I'm trying to place a stone pickaxe, an owl sword. What's with me? So this part here goes to gray. I still have to make the land bigger. Maybe I should have done this last episode. Here, right. Perfect. There we go. There. Now let me just clear this spot here. Put some sand in its place. Do I have any? I'm gonna put it all inside the. Put it all inside the thing. I wish you can turn sandstone back into normal sand. That'd be a big help. I don't need that much, do I? Just take this part. Oh, am I full? Yep. Yep. Don't need spider eyes. There we go. There we go. This should be enough. If it isn't, then I don't know what this world is coming to. And look, one egg only. Why am I holding one egg? So we go here. I think we're almost done now. There we go. I'll put these two up here so I can take that dirt and fill it up later. Look at this. It's all round at the bottom, and as you near the top, it becomes squares. Okay, there we go. Now, time to put the wood. Another day, I'll fix that. Before in between the episodes, I'll get rid of this dirt here. There. Perfect. I thought I was gonna fly off. I just wish I know how to fast forward things, because I know a lot of times it's really boring for you guys. I'll put one door like near the back and one near the front. I think that'll be a good idea. If you can just skip this part until, I don't know. If you look at the map, you can actually see how it builds. Oops. I thought the map would actually be larger. I think you can. I'll try checking about it. I think I'll go look for a village later and bring some and make them have a house here. I think it's how you tame a village. A villager, you need rotten flesh. I think that's the way you tame them. I'm not sure, but I think that's it. Oh, man, this wood looks good. If you put it near the beach, red wood, it's good. Oh, look, I didn't notice that. I'm right next to a jungle. So I'll maybe make a tree house in another episode. I'll move a little bit far, make a tree house. And sometimes I'll make a fun, someday I'll make a fun land. You know, like full of games, stuff. We're almost done and it's approaching nighttime. How many stacks of wood? Oh, I used all the stacks. You gotta be kidding me. We'll cut some more trees down, right? I was thinking of cutting down trees right before the episode to make it and put it so that you'll be able to see see this new area from the bedroom window, from the laboratory window. Guess I won't be able to do that. I was thinking of doing that, but I thought I already had enough wood, so I didn't need to. Well, folks, I know I extended this video a lot, so next time I'll finish. So next episode, I'll just trim that area, make it so that it'll be larger, get more wood in between episodes, and finish building it. Finish building the sea resort right in the episode, because I know you guys might not want to miss that. One of the fun things in the episode is watching you build. So I hope you guys will be able to enjoy it. So, like always, please comment and like. Right? Say the goodbye in front of the house. Just finish the last piece here. Put a lot of wood and dirt. Of course, I have tons of dirt inside, but I don't want to go inside and then get it. Other creepers. Just remembered. There we go. So I'll be seeing you later. Bye.